In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a progress bar in Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean, visual bar that automatically shows how close you are to reaching any goal you set. First, open the Notion website and head to the page where you want this tracker to live. Create a database by typing the / key and searching for Database. Select the option that fits your layout preference. Once it appears, you'll see a table. In the main column, type the names of the items you're tracking, such as software or any project name you like. This gives the database something to measure for each row. Now let's add the properties that will power the bar. Click. Add property, choose the number, and name this property Progress. This will hold your current value, like tasks completed or hours logged. Click. Add property again, choose the number, and name this one goal. This is your target number, such as total tasks or total hours you want to reach. Next, click. Add property one more time, select Formula, and name it Progress Bar. Click that new Progress Bar property, choose Edit Property, then Edit Formula. In the formula box, enter prop progress or prop goal 100 and click Done. This calculation turns your progress into a percentage, so the bar knows how much to fill. If you're new to formulas, that's simply your current value divided by your goal, multiplied by 100 to express it as a percent. Open that property again, click Edit Property, and set decimal places to 2 for a clean, readable percentage. In the same property settings, change Show as to Bar, then set Divide by to 100. This tells Notion that the number you're showing is out of 100 and should be displayed as a progress bar that fills accordingly. You're ready to try it out. In any row, type a number in the progress column and a number in the goal column. The progress bar will instantly update to reflect how far you've come. For example, if progress is 30 and goal is 60, you'll see the bar at 50%. Just make sure your goal isn't 0, since dividing by 0 isn't allowed. That's it. You now have a dynamic progress bar in Notion that you can reuse for projects, habits, learning milestones, or any target you're working toward. Keep adding rows for different items and let the bar keep you on track at a glance.